Walmart just released a brand new 4K streaming stick. It's already in stores, it's about $30, and honestly, it looks like a good deal. But once you compare it properly, most people should not buy this. A quick one, if you had to choose right now, the stick or the Onn 4K Plus, comment it. Tell me which one you'd pick, because this is where it gets weird. So this is Walmart's first ever 4K streaming stick. Not a box, not a puck, an actual HDMI stick, like a Firestick. Someone literally found this mixed in with a bunch of other sticks on a Walmart shelf. Paid about $30, and that's how this thing leaked. And honestly, this feels like Walmart's version of the Chromecast, just cheaper. Here's what you're getting. 2 GB of RAM, 8 GB of storage, Wi-Fi 5, Dolby Atmos, and all that is fine. But here's the problem. The Onn 4K Plus is basically the same price. And it's better. More storage, Wi-Fi 6, stronger overall setup. So now you've got a brand new device that doesn't actually beat the one already on sale. And that's why this is confusing people right now. Tell me what you're using and I'll tell you if this is worth upgrading to. So let's make this simple. If you want a clean setup, no box under your TV, something small and portable, this new stick makes sense. But if you care about performance, storage, and long-term use, the 4K Plus still wins. This new 4K stick makes sense if you've got a second TV, a bedroom setup, or you're upgrading from an old HD stick. That's where it fits. But I'd skip this if you already have a 4K device, you install a lot of apps, or you want something more powerful, because this isn't that. And there's another reason to wait. A new Onn 4K Pro model is coming. So right now you've got 3 choices. Buy this, buy the Plus, or wait. So here's the truth. This is a really interesting release, but not the best value. If you need a stick, it works. If you want the better device, the Onn 4K Plus still wins. So tell me, what are you upgrading from and what would you pick? Stick, Plus, or wait? Drop it below and I'll reply to help you decide. And if you want full testing, speed tests, sideloading, and real performance, make sure you're subscribed because I'll cover it as soon as I get one. You can also follow me on X, check out unboxd.tech, and join channel memberships for access to our private members-only chat. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.